Week 1. Detox. Days 1 to 7. Clear the noise. Steady the nervous system. The first week isn't glamorous. It's quiet. You'll feel the urge to reach for your phone like it's oxygen. That's not love, that's withdrawal. Breathe through it. Your mind is relearning that peace is your baseline. Day 1. Reset your environment. Delete chat threads that keep you looping. Mute stories. Unfollow triggers. Hide photos to an archive. Clean your room, car, and workspace. Order creates calm. Day 2. Rules of engagement. Write this in your notes. I respond with facts. I don't explain feelings over text. I never chase. Read it morning and night. Day 3. Body anchors. 45 minutes. Lift, run, or ruck. Cold water finish. Your body teaches your mind what strength feels like. Day 4. Stillness. 10 minutes of breath. In 4, hold 4. Out 6. Then journal. What outcome am I forcing? Where can I practice non-reaction today? Day 5. Digital fast. Evening. After 7 p.m., airplane mode. Read 20 pages. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Day 6. Social calibration. Talk to 3 strangers: barista, clerk, neighbor. Eye contact. Slow voice. No outcome chasing, just reconnection with the world. Day 7. Audit and forgive. List your slips. Forgive yourself once. Recommit. Text yourself. We continue. If she reaches out this week, hey, you up? Ignore until day 8. Logistics. Can you grab the box? On it. Emotional bait. We need to talk. Not tonight. Hope you're well, then go still. You train people how to treat you. Week 2. Rebuild. Days 8 to 14. Non-negotiables, boundaries, and base identity. Narration. Silence without structure turns into sulking. This week you lay rails. You decide who you are when no one is watching. Daily non-negotiables, 15 minutes each. Strength. Push, pull, legs, rotate. Wealth. 15 minutes on a skill or side income. Order. One small task you've avoided. Stillness and script. Repeat your values out loud. Values script. Say it. I am disciplined, calm, and generous. I don't chase. I choose. Mon. Boundary inventory. Write 5 places you said yes but meant no. Circle the worst one. Practice saying, that doesn't work for me. Tuesday, money. Cancel 1 subscription. Move $10 to $20 into savings or debt. Book a free consult. Apply for 1 better job. Or price your skill. Wed. Style and health. Barber. Trim beard/neck. Clean nails. Fit clothes. Cook 1 clean meal. A man who respects himself is obvious before he speaks. Thursday, social. Invite a friend to train, study, or hit a museum. When your life expands, neediness shrinks. Friday, honesty hour. Journal. If she never texts again, who do I become anyway? Saturday, skill. 1 hour deep practice. Coding, sales, design, trade, language. Momentum beats morning. Stoic Reset. Plan next week. 2 dates with yourself on the calendar. Gym plus learning. If she texts this week, rebuild protocol. You wait at least 2 hours to reply. Keep it short. Daily targets. 1 meaningful conversation with a man. Brotherhood. 1 new place. Park, bookstore, gym class. 30 minutes of deep work. No phone within reach. Inbound tests you'll see now. You don't care anymore. I care about my life. I hope you're good. You've changed. I've grown. It's needed. Hot or cold invitations. You state your availability once. If it doesn't align, you let it go. Indifference is not anger. It's mastery. Dating note. If you meet someone new, keep your frame. No trauma dumps, no overproving. Slow, attentive, grounded. Respect greater than fireworks. Week 4. Mission. Days 22 to 30. Become the man who chooses. By now, the itch to chase is fading. You're calmer, clearer. This week, you build something permanent. A personal code and a 1-year plan, so your life stops reacting and starts compounding. Daily mission block, 90 to 120 minutes. Phone in another room. 1 needle-moving task. End by writing tomorrow's first action on a sticky note. Your code, speak it daily. I tell the truth. I don't argue for attention. I protect mornings. I lift heavy things. I keep my word to myself. Vision draft, 20 minutes. 12-month outcomes. Body, money, skill, relationships. Quarterly milestones. Weekly rituals that make those inevitable. What she feels across these 30 days. Denial, curiosity, confusion, tests, respect. When your attention returns to you, the power balance returns to reality. If she reaches out sincerely now, you decide, without anger, if her actions fit your standards. If yes, set a low-key meeting. If no, bless and release. Relapse plan, because you're human.